Today we're replacing the spark plug wires on a 300c 5.7 liter Hemi. Tools of the trade today are a flathead screwdriver, the plastic retaining clip, dielectric grease, and 8 brand new spark plug wires. First thing to do is to go ahead and pop the hood and take a picture or video of the spark plug wire positions just in case you mix them up. After that, locate one spark plug wire that is connected to a spark plug. A spark plug wire in the Hemi is connected to one spark plug on one end and connected to a corresponding ignition coil on the other side of the Hemi. It is important to do this one spark plug wire at a time to keep things simple and not mix up the spark plug wire locations, which will mess up the firing order. Now let's remove the spark plug wire up and out of the way. Next is follow the wire until we hit one plastic retaining clip set. After that, let's grab our flathead screwdriver and crack open the retaining clip set so that we can remove our spark plug wire out of its retaining clip seat. Now let's keep following the spark plug wire and repeat the process of cracking the retaining clips when we encounter them until we hit the end of the spark plug wire, which is connected to its corresponding ignition coil on the other side of the Hemi. Next, pull the end of the spark plug wire out of the ignition coil. Alright, since we have the first one off, now let's lay all the new spark plug wires on the floor flat so we can see how long each new wire is. The spark plug wires vary in length, so take the old spark plug wire and find the new spark plug wire that matches its length. Once we have the new spark plug wire with its matching length, let's throw some dielectric grease at each end of the spark plug wire. Next, let's connect the spark plug wire that has the short connector to the ignition coil. You should hear and feel a distinct click when you make the connection. With the short end of the new spark plug wire connected to the ignition coil, snake the new spark plug wire in the same position in which you removed it. When you encounter a retaining clip set, simply place it in its seat. Since you're replacing the spark plug wires one at a time, everything should fall into place the same way you removed the old spark plug wire. When you get back to the other side of the Hemi, install the spark plug wire end with the longer boot connector into the spark plug housing and press down until you hear and feel a distinct click when you make the connection. Congratulations guys, you replaced one spark plug wire. Now let's go ahead and repeat the process for the other 7 spark plug wires. You can start at either end of the spark plug wire. I'm going to stop right here. Let's do another one at a different location on the Hemi just for a quick review. Okay, so finally, once you have replaced all 8 spark plug wires and everything's buttoned up and put back together, let's give it a start and hear that baby purr.
Woo! She's in love with you now.
Alright everyone, so this took me and Greg about 20 minutes to replace the 8 spark plug wires. Although there is no maintenance schedule for the spark plug wires, they are cheap enough to get them done at the same time as you change the spark plugs in the same process. Even if you think the current wires you still have are good, replace them anyways and you will automatically have spark plug wires to use should one of them fail in the future. Secondly, spark plug wires do erode and decay. Damaged spark plug wires can cause arcing when exposed and higher electrical resistance, causing misfire, rough idle, and lowered performance. The ignition system is fairly delicate in general. Bad spark plugs or ignition coils put strain on the spark plug wires, causing them to deteriorate faster. The same goes with bad spark plug wires, as they will cause unnecessary wear on the ignition coil and spark plugs with the added electrical resistance. Most likely we'll be replacing the ignition coils next on this 300c beast. You can also find our spark plug episode link in the description as well as the instructions below. Thanks for watching everyone. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. I'd really appreciate it. Take care and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.